Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are very safe at your home. At the same time, I think you are following my class. In our yesterday class, we were learned some formulas and example 4.6. Yesterday we were learned about cost price, selling price, profit or gain, loss, and the formulas for profit or gain, loss percentage, then selling price, cost price. These are the things we were learned in our last class. Today's class we are going to solve the problem. Example 4.7. In this sum also we are going to find gain or profit percentage. Gain or profit percentage. This gain or profit, these two words are similar, they have same meaning. Therefore, gain means profit, profit means gain, that's all. Today we are going to learn example 4.7. If the selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5/4 of its cost price, then find the gain or profit percentage. Again I am going to read. If the selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5/4, if its cost price, then find the gain or profit percentage. In this sum, they don't give any cost price here. They give the selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5/4 of its cost price. 5/4 of its cost price. That is the clue they were given here. 5/4 means, look at the denominator. Denominator is 4. Numerator is 5. Here the numerator is greater than denominator, therefore it is gain. It is a gain. They were giving the some fraction for gain. That is, selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5/4. Therefore, selling price is 5/4 of cost price. Solution. Here we don't know the CP, that is cost price. Therefore, we take cost price of LED TV as X. Therefore, let the cost price of the LED TV be X rupees. Therefore, the selling price, they give the selling price 5/4. Therefore, the selling price that is equal to 5/4 of X. 5/4 of X. Then we have to find out gain or profit. Here I said earlier, that is, here we have gain because selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, how to find out the profit? First of all, you have to find out what is the profit here. Here, profit. How to find out? Profit. That is equal to selling price minus cost price. You have learned this formula in your 6th standard. Here the selling price is 5/4. We don't know the cost price, that is, therefore, the selling price that is equal to 5/4 of its cost price. Here we take cost price as X. Therefore, I take selling price as 5/4 of X minus cost price is X. We don't know what is it. Then, how you find out the value? Now, take the cross multiplication. Therefore, 5x 4 minus 4x by 4. 4x by 4. Then we will get, here the denominator are same. Therefore, we can subtract the numerator. 5x minus 4x, we get x. 5 minus 4, that is 1. It represents x. It means 1x by 4. Therefore, profit that is equal to x அதாவது நம்ம வந்து எக்ஸ் வெறும்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் அது முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம், ஒன்று இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். இந்த நம்பர் ஒன்று இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். தென் now we have to find out the profit percentage. Profit percentage formula என்ன? What is the formula for profit percentage? That is profit by cost price into 100 into percentage. Therefore profit percentage that is equal to, here what is your profit? X by 4. X by 4. What is your CP? CP is cost price X. CP is X into 100 percentage. Then X cancel. For X cancel. Then we will get 1 by 4 into 100. 1 by 4 into 100 percentage. It means 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remaining we will get 2, 5 4s are 20, therefore 25. 1 into 25, 1 into 25 percentage. 125s are 25 into percentage. Therefore profit percentage that is equal to 25 percentage. Look at students, first of all you have to keep this in your mind. Here they give selling price of LED TV which is equal to 5 by 4 or 5 by 4. We don't know the cost price, therefore we take cost price CP as X. Then selling price we will get cost price as X. Therefore selling price that is equal to 5 by 4 of X. 5 by 4 of X. ஏன்னா இங்க பாருங்க காஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்கவே இல்லை, therefore நம்ம எக்ஸ்ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஆனால் செல்லிங் பிரைஸ் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 5 by 4 of காஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. காஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் எக்ஸ், therefore ஆஃப் மீன்ஸ் இன்டு, therefore 5 by 4 of எக்ஸ்ன்னு எடுத்துருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.